Hi, today I want to tell you about GrandTime. With its simplicity and accessibility, the project aims to bring cryptocurrency and blockchain into the mainstream. GrandTime is not just a single solution. It's a vast ecosystem consisting of many different products united by one goal: to make cryptocurrency transparent and understandable for anyone, especially for people without experience with cryptocurrencies.
GrandTime is a multifunctional, decentralized, community-driven crypto ecosystem created with a clear vision to destroy the myth that blockchain and crypto technology are too complicated for everyday use and introduce the cryptocurrency community to as many new people as possible. With its simplicity and accessibility, the project aims to make cryptocurrency and blockchain popular. The project is fully transparent, and the size lists links to GitHub and the token and ICO intelligent contract code. GrandTime is not just a single solution, it is a vast ecosystem consisting of several different products with one goal: to make cryptocurrency transparent and understandable for everyone, especially for people with no experience in cryptocurrency. Thus, the platform will meet the needs of both novice blockchain users and experienced cryptocurrency experts. Currently, GrandTime has over 23,000 active members from over 80 countries, and their community is growing by 15-25% every month. The site has a well-prepared white paper describing all the details and additional project documentation with more information about the project.
Thanks to GrandTime, anyone can effortlessly start earning, investing, trading, and learning about crypto assets. Instead of being just another cryptocurrency token with no actual use case, the Grand token will run on numerous elements of the Grand ecosystem.
Grand Metaverse is a virtual reality platform owned by its users and powered by Grand Token. In the Metaverse, you can use all the products of the GrandTime ecosystem, create and host your VR world, meet other users, communicate, learn, collaborate, attend or host live VR or AR events, and much more. Grand School will be an accessible entry point into the cryptocurrency ecosystem, teaching people how to earn, trade, and use Grand tokens. Grand Messenger is an encrypted messaging app that allows you to communicate and exchange currencies through P2P transfers with friends and like-minded people. All Grand tokens and tokens created on Grand Terminal can be traded on the Grand Exchange. The functionality typical of decentralized exchanges allows each user to retain complete control over their funds without trusting a central authority. The Grand ecosystem is designed to host a large number of different tokens. Grand Terminal is a token launch platform that allows organizations and individuals to create and efficiently manage their tokens based on Grand. Members of the GrandTime community will collect unique NFT GrandTime tokens and own an entire day. All GrandTime NFT tokens will be socially minted and purchased at Grand Tokens auctions.
All Grand tokens and tokens created on Grand Terminal can be traded on the Grand Exchange. The functionality, typical of decentralized exchanges, allows each user to retain complete control over their funds without trusting a central authority.
The GrandTime platform includes an exchange platform where users can exchange Grand tokens for any other cryptocurrency pair such as Grand ETH or Grand BTC and store them in an internal wallet. The Grand Wallet is an easy-to-use transaction system for users and partner platforms to manage, protect, and spend their Grand. The team aims to lower the entry threshold for users of all media and promote cross-platform integration. The wallet receives Grand tokens from the Grand Social Mining Reward system and can deposit, store, and withdraw Grand tokens. Grand wallets are designed to save time and effort and avoid frustration. Self-registration is always quick and easy. The wallet is integrated into the GrandTime app. It is set up to provide predetermined set of features including Grand and ETH balance display, deposit and withdrawal of Grand tokens, future integration of deposits of other ERC20 tokens. Private keys will always be stored on the client side and never shared with anyone, so users' wallet remain 100% secure.
The GrandTime project, based on blockchain, has its currency, the Grand token. Grand acts as the reference currency for capital flows throughout the ecosystem, enabling the operation of Grand Wallet, Grand School of Education, the use of Grand Terminal, Grand Exchange Trading, and Grand App. Token sales began on the 12th of November. In order to buy a token, you just need to register on the platform, and we will provide the link in the description of this video.
Grand Token's primary function is to be the base currency for all transactions and actions in the Grand ecosystem. Grand will be the main asset of Grand Exchange, making it measure of value for all tokens on the platform. The second essential function of the Grand Token is social mining. The third key function on the Grand Token is marketing. Token holders will use the token to order advertising on the Grand Time platform or various social events on various social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and so on. There are about 3 payment methods which make buying tokens very convenient. The company partners with Coin Payments to accept all kinds of currencies including BTC, BNB, USDT, Doge, Shiba, and others. Grand Time also partners with Now Payments to accept credit and debit cards of any currency. You can make token purchases with a MetaMask wallet. To ensure the growth of the Grand Token ecosystem, Grand will contain value growth mechanism and liquidity growth mechanism. Because of this, the value of Grand Token will grow in line with the growth of the ecosystem and the number of active users.
There is a massive team of more than 20 people working on the project. The roadmap begins in the 4th quarter of 2017 with the beginning of the founding of Grand Time. The next milestone was great community development in over 35 countries, as well as Grand Token release, Grand Time, and Grand Social Mining Platform developments, Grand Wallet release.
The 3rd quarter of 2020 was the release of the Grand Time platform, the launch for the Grand Messenger platform, and Grand Social Mining. The DeFi exchange was pre-listed and Grand Token was pre-listed on the DeFi exchange. The 2nd quarter of 2021 began with the launch of the internal advertising platform Grand Time and development of the internal exchange, as well as the preparation of legal and financial solutions. The 1st quarter of 2022 will see the Grand Time mobile app and the start of the development of the Grand Metaverse with a decimal time measurement system. This will be the launch of the NFT auction and the NFT terminal. The 1st quarter of 2023 will be devoted to the launch of the Grand Time exchange and Grand Metaverse and the launch of Grand Mainnet. The roadmap is scheduled to run through 2024.
You can also invest in Grand Token, the core of the Grand Time platform and ecosystem. You can do this by joining the Grand Token Launchpad, which runs from the 5th of November 2021 throughout the 4th of November 2022. Grand Token Launchpad will consist of 3 rounds and 201 unique phases. All sales are conducted through a smart token sales contract, making them fully transparent and visible on either scan.
The private sale phase will include a price of $0.0005 per token. A total of 10 million Grand tokens will be available for purchase in this phase. The initial second phase, the price per token will be $0.0010. With each subsequent stage, the price will increase by $0.0001. The cost of the third phase will be $0.0011. The fourth phase will be $0.0012, and so on. Each phase will equal 1.9 million Grand tokens. Total of 190 million Grand tokens will be available for purchase in the second round. When all 1.9 million Grand tokens from a particular phase have been sold, the price of Grand token will increase and subsequent launch phase will begin. The initial phase 102, the price will be $0.011 per token. With each subsequent stage, the price will increase. Each phase will equal 8 million Grand tokens. A total of 800 million Grand tokens will be available for purchase in the third round of the launchpad. When all 8 million Grand tokens of a particular phase have been sold, the price of Grand tokens will increase and the next launchpad phase will begin.
Thank you a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.